What's going on YouTube? All right, so today I got a video unboxing. Basically, I'm getting my inventory ready. I already received these coins in the mail today, and I'm processing them. So I'm going to go over each one so you guys can take a look. Some of these I'm probably going to have to sell at a loss. I was kind of forced to buy two collections because of certain coins that are inside and certain items that are inside. But anyways, it's a nice variety, and you get to see all different types of bullion as well as older numismatic U.S. coins. So I guess let's start from the top, and I'm going to zoom in as best I can for each one and then give you an idea of what I think it is. So this is a 2019 Canadian maple leaf. It's got the little maple leaf privy. That's one of the things they did to the coin to help protect it for fraud. And then I've already weighed each one of these. The 1 ounce coins weigh 1 ounce. And then I've got this neodymium magnet that I got, I believe, from Amazon. And none of these coins are magnetic. So they all weigh right, they all look right, they all ping right. Even this bar here weighs correctly. I've never had one of these bars before, so I was kind of excited about that. I don't know why. I don't really do the bars, but some of you guys, that's all you guys collect. So anyways, this 2019 is going to go, that'll get listed on eBay today. And this one, I don't know what to do. So I've got $28, $28.75 in each one of the bullion coins. And some of these, if I sell them on eBay, it's a loss, or I can just take them to my coin shop. I think they'll give like $1 over spot. Maybe $2 over spot. Well, let's be realistic. It's most like $1 over spot. So spot today is like 24. They probably give me 25 bucks for this. But if I sell this for 30, I end up getting like 25 bucks for it. So I don't know. I might just sell it for 30 on eBay. Just get rid of it. I don't think there's a lot of bullion coins for less than $30. So this might be a good buying opportunity for you guys if you're looking for that kind of stuff. From a trusted source. And here is a 2014, pretty much same design as the 2019. Also has the privy mark. It's like a maple within a maple. Again, this is just your standard Canadian bullion coin. And again, $28.75 is my cost, and I'll probably be selling this one probably for 30, 33. I don't know what to do. Like a lot of times guys will buy this stuff and then they'll kind of sit on it, or they'll price it kind of high. So I might package those up together so that it's a better deal for someone that's just looking to get some bulk. That way I'm not wasting additional funds on an envelope. So I might do that, guys. I might bundle the Canadian maple leafs, which are all nice. I mean, none of these are perfect, and don't get bullion graded, but there's a 2013. Again, nothing special. So I think if I were to bundle all these, it would help the buyer out, make it look more attractive for shipping, and that's probably the smarter way to go. Or like I said, I could just use it for money, go into my coin shop, which I might do as well. So those are the maple leafs, and then we'll start over here. This one was kind of cool. It's a proof 2009 Lakota. I think that's Sitting Bull or whatever, and it's a $50 piece. Independent Nation, very cool actual round or coin, I guess, because it does have a denomination on it. The most recent comp sold for $59 plus shipping, which I kind of don't understand. So I guess I'll price this out at $45. I think they're rare. I've had like the newer Lakotas, and they always seem to sell pretty quickly, but that's when silver is a little more expensive and the premiums were a little crazy. So I think pricing this out at $45 is good, and that'll help me make up for the loss on those guys there. And next is something I've never had in my hands before, is a 1999 Canadian maple leaf. Definitely less technology. There's no more privy, and then the queen looks a little bit different. All in all, nice coin. Nothing real special about these either, so I might bundle that up with these maple leaves above. So figure 5 maple leaves at what, 30 a piece. That would be $150, and then the shipping should stay under 8 ounces, so it'd be like 135. No, I'm sorry, 155 for all 5 of those above. I think that's what I'll do. That'll make it really attractive. It'll sell right away, and then if you guys are watching, you can grab that if you're into adding some Canadian silver dollars to your stack. This one's unique. So this is a 2019 South Korea Z-Zin Scrofa. I looked these up. So there's like graded ones that are recent comps. They're expensive, like $160. And then there's like one where it's got like the image, and then there's like another image, like a ghost, and there's proof types. Anyways, pricing's kind of like all over the place. Reverse on these are always really nice. And then there's like a little security feature here that doesn't show really well when you have it in the Mylar, but let's see if I can show you guys here. See, it's like 999 when you tilt it, and then it says AG. You're looking at this, AG on one side and 999. So that's a pretty cool security feature. Blows away our missing read one on the Eagle. But I think I'll price this one out at $40, just so someone can get a good deal on it. Also, that came in this bullion package. I was able to get a Silver Eagle for 2018 for $28.75. So this one is in decent shape. You know, nice Eagle. You can put in an album or in your tube. I'd probably price this one out cheap for probably thinking like $36, and that'll sell really fast. Next are some Britannias. So I got a couple 2019s. Again, nothing too special with the Britannias as far as value. The Queen's image and all that's kind of died down. So Britannias have finally come down. The premiums on them were like absolutely ridiculous. So something like this, I'll probably bundle that with the other Britannia, sell the pair for like $60, and then charge like $5 or whatever actual shipping is. So if you're closer to Illinois, you can get 2 of these in a 4-ounce envelope mailed to you for like $3.62. I think that'd be the better way to go, is probably list these for $60 for the pair, and then charge you actual shipping, and someone can get a good deal on that. So again, I'm not looking to, or like I said, if it doesn't sell, I can always just cancel listing and bring it in as money at my local coin shop. Next is a pretty cool, again, something I've never had in my hands before. It's not super thick, but it is pretty long. It's this Philadelphia Centennial City. I guess they made these in 1976. I'm just having trouble focusing. This is my birth year. It's cool. It's got the Liberty Bell. It has a mintage number on the bottom there. It definitely weighs out 1 ounce, and it tests out fine. There's nothing fancy in the back. It's just regular silver, but it's in decent shape. So bars like these, I think go for about $40 or so. So that's what I'll be asking. Maybe a little bit less. Again, it depends on what the comps show, but I forgot what that was on there. All right, next we're going to jump into the, hopefully I got these out right. Got an 1877 seeded Liberty half, and I would say this is in good condition. There's no scratches. A nice problem-free coin, which is pretty rare for a good. Usually these are scratched or have environmental damage or all kinds of dings. So this one's nice if you want to send this in to get graded, or just pop it in an album, or use it to upgrade a color one. All the numismatic stuff here I got a pretty good deal on for around $10 or $10.50 a piece. So something like this is all day $40 on eBay. So that's a good deal too, because I've seen some people asking a lot more than that for that type of piece. And then next we have an 1893 Columbia Exposition. This was the very first 50-cent piece that they made commemorative for the actual World's Fair. It ended up being a big flop, so they were trying to sell these for $1 or $2 at the fair, and they ended up putting a ton of them in circulation. So this one's probably about AU. I'll ask I'll probably keep this under $20, so that way the shipping's cheap. Shipping, if it's under $20 and it's a U.S. coin or world coin, non-bullion, I can get these out to people for under $1 for shipping. And that's what I charge too, so that makes my listing look a little more attractive. Next is a 1902, just a V nickel. Nothing really crazy with this, just an album filler. I would say this is an AG condition, so about good. Probably only $5 or something like that. Next up is a cool little cap bust dime. It kind of says Liberty still. It's 10 cent, which is really neat. Don't come across a ton of these, so I would say this is a good coin to send in if you're looking to do like a lowball type submission. Pretty neat piece. So I would say this is worth at least $20. I know some people have these listed at like $40 or whatever. I mean, yeah, it is old, but I think $20 would be a good price on this. Again, shipping it out to someone for about $1. Be cool. Next is a quarter I've sold a couple times. I think I've sold 3 of these in the last year. This is probably the nicest one I've ever had as far as quality. And again, this is an 1876. Oh, I didn't notice the S mint there. All right, well, it's probably more expensive than the $40 I price it out at. So I'll have to change this and put a little S and do a little research. So maybe, is the San Francisco mint worth more than Philadelphia? Probably is. So I'll have to look at that. Maybe it's an $80 coin now instead of a $40, but who knows? Definitely a fine quality example though. Problem free. Next is a 1909 Barber quarter. This thing definitely has scratches. It's definitely an album filler. So this is a $10 coin for someone looking to fill an album, which is a decent price just if you're looking to do that. This is a 2-cent piece. I think this goes in the type set. So this one is decent shape. They're kind of hard to show on camera. They're also kind of hard to take pictures of. But, you know, let me see if I can get a better image here. Here we go. Yeah, it's got some green stuff going on. I would say this is like probably VG condition. We're going to keep that under $20 as well. So that'll be $1 to ship. And then here we have a 3-cent nickel. See, keep zooming in on the background stuff there. Let's see if I hit that here. All right, that's getting annoying. Zooming out like way too much. Yeah, here we go. That's better. So this is a 3-cent nickel, 1865, and it's got the little 3 columns in the back of it. I would say this is in about good condition, and it's a little rough, but you know, nice little piece. I'll probably list that for $10. So that'll be in that type of holder. And next is a matron head. I think this is a matron head. This is a large set. So that's actually really nice quality for an 1847. Usually these have dings all over the place, or they have holes in them, or like massive scratches. This one's in really nice shape. So this is I would say a gradable one. I would definitely say it's in very fine condition. And believe it or not, these can go for, I'm going to ask probably $80 for this particular coin, just based on the condition that it's in. I've sold others before, but they all had like problems. Like they're all scratched or had environmental damage on them. All right, next is a couple of 2019 Kangaroos. So again, I'll probably package those up for $60 for the pair and then charge $5 for shipping. So if you guys want to jump on that after I get these listed, that'd be a smoking deal. Well, where did my things go? Here we go. And then one of the main reasons I bought this lot is, as I put these away, sorry, I'm like jacking my mic as I do this. The real reason I bought this lot is for the Libertad. So again, for $28.75, you win some, you lose some. So definitely looking to win on these Libertads. I got 2 2018s. They didn't make a ton of these, and these typically sell for at least $45, depending on the condition. So I think these are super nice condition. So hopefully I can get a little more than $45, but I got 2 of those. So those will be listed. And here's the other one. Super nice. Very cool and very popular coin. So I was happy to get those. I mean, it'd be awesome, like if they're all Libertads, but that's not how it works when you buy collections. And then finally is key date 1986, decent shape. Definitely BU American Silver Eagle. It's the first year of the American Silver Eagle. Again, for $28.75, a smoking deal. So I'll probably be selling this for probably $50. Maybe because of the little ding there, I probably asked like 48, but this will sell really quick. So there's some profit on that. So again, probably going to lose money on the Canadians, going to lose money on the Britannias, going to lose money on the Kangaroos, but then make money on the Eagles, the Korean coin, and the bar, and the Libertad. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'll get these up in my shop, and I would highly recommend jumping on these Canadian silver dollars, the Britannias, or the Kangaroos before I get impatient and just take them to my local coin shop and trade them in for Morgans. So you guys have a good one. Appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe to my channel so you get more updates. I've got Morgans coming in later this week, probably the next couple days. 10 really nice ones that I'm going to do a detailed review, and we'll go over some VAMs and stuff to look for. All right, have a good one, guys.